Welcome back to TechVibes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the common issue where YouTube is not supported on your specific device. This problem can occur on a wide range of hardware including smart TVs, Android TVs, TV boxes, projectors, and even Sony displays. It is a frustrating error that often prevents you from accessing your favorite content, but fortunately, there are several effective ways to resolve it. To begin the troubleshooting process, you first need to navigate to the settings menu on your device. From the main settings menu, you should look for an option labeled Device Preferences. Once you are inside Device Preferences, you want to find the About section. Within the About menu, there is an option for System Update. It is always a good idea to check for any available firmware or software updates for your television or device, as these updates often include critical bug fixes and compatibility patches for apps like YouTube. If an update is available, make sure to download and install it completely before proceeding. If your system is already up to date, or if the update does not solve the issue, we can move on to a more direct approach involving the app settings. Go back to the main settings menu and click on the Apps section. From there, select See All Apps to view a full list of everything installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you find the YouTube app and click on it to open its specific settings. The first thing you should do here is click on Force Stop and then confirm by clicking OK. This ensures that the app is completely shut down before we make any changes. Next, look for the option to uninstall updates. This will roll the YouTube app back to its factory version, which can often clear up any conflicts caused by a recent buggy update. After you have uninstalled the updates, you should also click on Clear Data and confirm with OK. This will remove any temporary files or corrupted cache data that might be causing the not supported error. Once these steps are complete, you can go back to your home screen and try opening the YouTube app again. In many cases, this reset of the application will restore full functionality. However, if you find that the standard YouTube app is still giving you trouble, there is a very powerful alternative you can use called SmartTube. This is an open source application specifically designed for Android and smart TV platforms that often works perfectly on devices where the official app has failed. It provides a smooth viewing experience and is highly compatible with a vast array of hardware. Using a secondary app like SmartTube can be a great long-term solution for older devices that may no longer receive official support from Google. It is also worth checking your internet connection and ensuring that your device time and date settings are correct, as these can sometimes interfere with app licensing and support. By following these steps, you should be able to get back to watching your favorite videos without any interruption. This methodology is effective for almost any Android-based TV system and helps extend the life of your hardware. Whether you are using a high-end projector or a budget TV box, these software tweaks are essential tools for any tech-savvy user. Keeping your apps clean and your system updated is the best way to avoid these kinds of errors in the future. If one method doesn't work, don't be afraid to try the alternative, as it often provides a more stable experience. Thank you for following this guide on TechVibes, and I hope these solutions help you. Get your YouTube back up and running smoothly. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Happy viewing, and we will see you in the next video.